Libra. This is your channel messages for the 27th of November. Yes, I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Libra, we are going into your channel messages, your channel song, I should say, Libra. Libra, remember, say you rule Venus, you know. So if Venus is the if Taurus is cuddly, Venus, Libra what? I'm not hiding and talking because, as I said, Libra is already freaky because Libra and Virgo was together. And I said this already, I'll say it again. I don't know if Libra do Virgo before giving Virgo the ring, or Virgo to Libra without getting the ring. Either way, they separated. And now for some reason, ever since Libra and Taurus has been frequenting the same planet. So, without further ado, Libra, let's go ahead and go into your channel song. Jacronium, you ready? Hey, Jacronium. Jacronium. Hey, Jacronium. Oh, this make you feel like though. Why this make him feel like you? Why this make him feel like you? Jacronium. Come wine me, break off my back, break off my back, break off my back, girl, break off your back, break off your back, break off your Jacronium. Sing you have the glue, sing you have the glue, sing you have the glue. Come break off your back, break off your back, break off your, break off your, break off your back, girl. Who you are on with and a game. Anytime you're ready, boy, I saw my name. Place get wet like in a rain. Can make you feel high like a plane. Say him love for that. Baseline sweet and I touch the spot. Dancing, my love do that. Why cut you? Come white to me, break off your back. Break off your back. Break off your, break off your, break off your back. Girl, break off your back. Break off your back. Mr. Mohan? No, I have the glue. Them know me have the glue. No, me have. Mr. Mohan, do you know this? Break off my back. Break off my back. Break off my, break off my, break off my back, boy. I don't know why you have to be breaking off the back. Maybe you're breaking out someone's back. We don't know, Libra, but we know you rule Venus. And it's no surprise that you do know your way around the bedroom. Experienced or not. Libra September or Libra October or not. Let's go ahead and go into reading. Libra, come wine for me. Or Libra, can I wine and break off my back? Break off my back. Break off my, break off my, break off my back. Let's go. Let's see what your overall message is. Libra. We have the Ace of Wands. Maybe that's why you want break off your back, break off your back, break off your, break off your. Mr. Mohan, no, I have the glue. No, I have the glue. No, I have the glue. Come break off my back. That's why you want to break off someone's back. No, I don't know. Why is this in your ancestor spirit guides reading unless your ancestors is now teaching you how to use sex and how to use Kundalini energy to do magic. Remember, dancing was always a ritual when you dance. It was always a ritual. The elites, in the mask up, check out chess floor meetings, and that the girls were only used for entertainment. Them come around and they dance for the men. Them dance for the men, remember? Should I do this? Don't get freaked out, okay? Then when I dance for the men, remember? When I dance for the men, stay so, and then stay so. Okay? In the elites, right? That's what they use them women for. And the men then would have developed this lust, this craving, this. It was something uncontrollable as a meat eater would have want. Rare cooked meat, okay? So I'm getting the Ace of Wands. Yes, somebody want break off your back. Or don't worry, I might break there like how Dennis Rodman almost broke his, which is impossible because the way how Dennis Rodman is so big, you don't know how is that breakable. You could have used him for, you know, like when you're in the pool and somebody like a drone and you put that stick out there for make them grab on pan. You could have used Dennis Rodman for do that. So I don't know how that broke. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into reading. Jesus Christ. My God. Okay. Let's go. So let's go. Representing your guides, let's see what is in your forecast. I'm getting something about sex. The Knight of Wands, okay? So I'm getting a guy to tell you about sex. Don't get pregnant too fast. All of your aunts and your mummies, they were mothers by teenagers. They were mothers at 20. You're not supposed to be a mom at 20. You're not supposed to be a mom in your teenagers either, if you don't know this. You're supposed to be a mom when the age come off of the calendar, if you don't know this. Now, even though scientists so-called did studies and say that after the age of 25, the body so-called risk the chances of your baby coming out with any type of syndromes or deformities, which may or may not be true, but if the human's supposed to live 100 years, you can't tell me say after 25 years, we have 4 quarters to go. You can't tell me the first quarter my body dead. Done out. The eggs crack up, scrambled. I want my eggs cracked. Me I want a child. I'm not fucking around with you, okay? Right? Okay, great. So me getting sex is okay, you know. It's what come with sex are the problem. Babies. If you don't know how to have sex, why is they don't have sex none at all? Because a lot of these girls are trusting the man to know when and when not to. You cannot do that. That's why you're getting pregnant. So me getting don't rush no sex, or me getting a guy to tell you that the air sign you're dealing with, which is a Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini man, him a rush for sex. And him a rush for sex unprotectedly. You're blood clot mad. You are stranger, but you want girl. You just turned boyfriend and you want cry. You don't get those benefits of enjoying a warm, moist, 3 a.m. oven baked. You don't get that. You don't get that if you don't commit. You don't get that. So what you fucking prostitutes with? What you have girl with one night stand with? You don't get to go. There's a question about it. Somebody want to be intimate with you bareback. Them no one use no protection. Girl, your blood clot mad. Now, I don't know if you were in a situation when you were really, really horny and the guy never have a condom and you don't care. You'll be like, okay, let me just pull out. I don't think he's going to. Elon Musk knows how to send a rocket to space and he has 12 children. This guy will not pull out. I see on the news, they're saying, there's an app. What is the app name? There's another social media app, I have one butterfly thing on it. And like, Mr. Canada know how to done people, Canada can done you and make you feel like there's competition even when there's none, right? But Canada will make you feel like there's pressure on you, even though there's none. Blue Sky, their name. Yeah, so, you see the Canadians commentators, yeah, so when we're saying that we understand that X platform is reaching 1 billion subscribers. But what we want to know is that, you know, blue skies are coming up and they really have a predictability of going far. So it's just a matter of time to see if X can really match up to blue. Elon Musk sent a fucking rocket to space and come back with the help of, and to all you niggers out there, whoa, you cannot say that. Why are you saying something like that? That's racist. No, I'm Spanish. Yay! Hey, where the bitches at? No, mommy, you can't be talking about no bitches. You know how my girlfriend is. She gonna be yelling and shit. Oh, homegirl abusive. Oh, it's domestic violence. Oh, right? Excuse me, you're 20? You're 20? You're 20. I'm 20. Hola, como esta? Stop saying that. I'm not your fucking Spanish teacher. Stop saying hola, como esta. Maybe nobody has to know, right? With the help of Spanish people, he sent a rocket to space, and the rocket came back in the case. I don't feel like blue skies is a threat. I don't feel like anything is a threat right now for Elon Musk. The only threat he might have is the 13th child him going to have. That's the only threat we're seeing right now, right? Okay, great. So I'm getting that. Them want to have unprotected sex with you. They're not your boyfriend. They're not married to you. You're not in a long-term relationship, so why are you giving them your body raw? You're mad? Doctors don't even touch you with raw hand. When they go in the doctor office, them glove up. So you're making this man, because him tell you, say you're pretty and him like and him bring it to a nice place, you're going to make him get raw. Don't be the dumb bitch I may have been in the past. The only difference is I was not dumb enough to have a baby. Something your guys is trying to convey to you. The 6 of Wands. Yeah, me getting girl, yeah, get attention from everybody. One dick and nothing. But full of man can't done. But me nah pressure none. Nah run nobody down. Me rather run you out. I'm not slow down. More man still a come. If you want me take the place and turn it in a club. Boy, I know you have the goal alone. Suppose me tell you me see something just like your own. You woulda hide it, you see what inside my phone. Vendetta thing, no joke, right? You think Vendetta is joking? You act like you alone have hard to offer somebody. She can't get more anywhere else. Maybe she's insecure while she listen to you, but she not short a man, and she full of man can't done, but she not pressure none of them. She can discard a man so easy, cause as one gone, another inbox full. So I'm getting you rushing to have sex with this one man who are gonna risk a STD and a baby with you, cause they want to have sex with you raw, or I'm pressure you to have sex with you raw. Girl, some man is pressuring you for suck off your two of them. Why are you over here dealing with this? But you see, is what you allow is what will happen, okay? You allow these dirty horny us to be picking you up, then that's what you allow. But you saying, oh, but he's hot. I don't want to have sex with him. I don't want to do that, but he's so cute. You're sexually attracted to him. Why are you keep talking about how cute he is? That's why I'm keeping on talk to you about, and that's why I know you're gonna give in to sex, because the only thing you're talking about is how cute him is. You don't talk about him IQ, you don't talk about him intelligence. Is he starting anything? How has he been dealing with the family trauma that has been imprinted upon him since he was a child? We don't know the fucking answers to these questions. But what him do know is him want to go inside of your brighty. Tell him to buy your birth control. Tell him to pay for fucking birth. He want to pay to tell him to pay for. You want to, and you don't want to have no worries? You better pay a fee for you. As a matter of fact, I don't even think you're supposed to be picking up your body and birth control unless you're committed to the man. You don't have unprotected sex with men unless you're there with them. Okay? And if you don't hear rumors about me doing it before, well, I ain't doing it now, bitch. Actually, I'm abstaining now. As simple as you see me. I've been a month good. Over a month abstinence right now. I feel like I have so much energy. I have so much energy. I have so like my skin's great. This is what no sex does to you. So if you hear me sexual and I become a honey, I come from Jamaica, okay? How can you be more open with the messages your ancestors are trying to relate to you? The Lover's card, yeah. I'm getting, you have to be open to love, you have to be reciprocated, or you have to understand, say, true love does not define sex. Look how much people there with man and them crippled. How them, suppose them can't feel them spine, them can't feel them dick. How them have sex, but you love them, you take care of them every day. Want to when some people wife have cancer, you think you can't say, honey, can you just turn over on the side and from the side? You can't say that to her, she's dying of cancer. How can you be more open? You look for love. You don't look for sexual gratification. You don't look for a man to tell you, oh, you're pretty, oh, you're sexy, oh, I love your eyes. Oh, how loudly does that ass clap? It doesn't clap. It's as flat as a pancake, okay? Right? If I know that's what the conversation starts with sex, that's not for you. No, I'm not saying that because a guy going to talk to you about nice, lovey-dovey things, it means him not gonna leave you. I'm not saying that. But what I am saying is you feel much better in a man who you had a mental connection with than in somebody who just use you for sex. And he want to raw. Girl, you're mad. If I got breed you, you're going to get pregnant. You're going to get pregnant. And I don't wish pregnancy on anybody. I'm looking forward to adopting my child, to be very honest. Very happy about that. And what is your guide helping you with on your path? The Six of Cups. It's helping you discuss healthy things when it comes down to a relationship. Do you discuss sex with your partner? You tell your partner what you like or what you don't like, or him just on you going to your bed and you just make him do what he wanted to you because you feel like because of the man, him supposed to have a right to get off. Meanwhile, you don't even know if you came or not. See, me never tell me what was about. I'm sorry, Mr. Mohan. My marriage. As in freehand, as in I had no help in the arrival. It was my marriage. That was the first time I did. With no Bluetooth, free hands, hands off mode, right? Cool. This person talk about, oh, you just want one big dick for humble you. Oh, you just want one nice dick for humble you. Oh, you just need somebody to fuck you right. Oh, you just need... No, you need somebody to fuck you right. Because all those... Look how the blood clot nation and the nation still can't fuck you right. You have down the whole neighborhood and nobody in the neighborhood know what you like. They don't know if you like it, them don't know nothing about it because you're half the nation, right? Me getting real love don't stay that way. They want to be with you. And if you look them naked already, like I try to get off your clothes as fast as possible, maybe under the influence. The lover's naked already. Remember, Adam and Eve was naked in the Garden of Eden. They had no shame towards each other. You know, you're shame for sure the guy your body because you don't know if the guy go walk your heart. We don't know where you feel. Adam had no problem seeing Eve's body. He knew that Eve was a woman. That's what it was. It never mean because me I see her breast and see her shell walking in the Garden of Eden. It don't mean some walk. It don't mean some honey. That's how she is. She's a woman. Me think somebody have a high fucking sex drive. Yes, but have you ever cuddled naked? Back some sugar, I didn't think so. Okay, let's go ahead into these messages and we'll leave it here. Try cuddling your, what is an extreme sport? Try cuddling naked without having sex. That's an extreme sport. I don't know what that is because I can't see it anymore, so oh well. Guru. The Empress, come visit me. Cleanse your space, and I was innocent. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.